Friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Kids Crafts and Fun. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. If you like this video, please like my all the videos. Today let's make something attractive, beautiful and amazing. Today I am going to teach how to draw this rose. Before that, I want to tell you all that Dasara is coming. Everyone will chant Mardhini Shotram, which is mainly called as Mahisasura Mardhini Strotam. I will teach the first para. I will be repeating it 2 times. The first time you all should listen and the second time you all should repeat with me. Let's start. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandanute Girivara Vinda Shirodini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnanute Bhagavati He Shishikanta Kutumbini Bhuri Kutumbini Bhuri Krute Jaya Jaya He Mahisasura Mardhini Shotram-1 Shailasute. Now I'll be repeating again. You all should repeat with me. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandanute Girivara Vinda Shirodini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnanute Bhagavati He Shishikanta Kutumbini Bhuri Krute Jaya Jaya He Mahisasura Mardhini Shailasute. Now let's draw the rose. I am using marker. You should not use marker. You should use pencil because I have practiced this rose many times. First, I will draw a U and join with another U. Make a smiley face. Now I will draw 2 opposite triangles. And inside that I'll draw a small one. And to join those both, I will draw a small oval and a curve on top of it. Then I will draw half heart on its top. Now I will draw a pyramid shape, but it will be a little bit curved on the small curve. Now I am going to join using a small curve. Now I'll draw a big curve to join and a long half oval. And I'll draw a triangle after it and join those both using a curve. Now I'll draw a U shape under the smiley shape and I'll draw a triangle or curve in the left side, and to join I will use a small triangle, and to join these 2 big and small I will draw a small curve. Now I will draw a very sharp triangle under the rose. Now I will add a few leaves. To join a few leaves, I'll draw very small curves. Now let's start the coloring. I am using high red for coloring the rose. You can even use pink color or orange color for the rose. Make sure your coloring is dark. Make sure you're coloring in the same direction. I'm coloring in standing line direction. You can use color pencils, oil pastel, or you can use any colors. If you are using watercolor or any paint, you should be very careful. After coloring the rose, I am using green for coloring the leaves. And after coloring, your beautiful, attractive and amazing rose is ready. If you want to make it more attractive, you can fill with background with yellow, blue or any other colors. You can shade it. You can shade the flower and the leaves with different colors. Now I am going to tell you how Dasara festival is. I want to tell you how Dasara festival is celebrated. In North Indians, they make idols of Lord Durga using mud or clay. They do different rupas of Lord Durga using many items like jewelries, clothes and many others. And after 9 days, they worship Lord Durga and they will immerse Lord Durga inside the rivers or seas. And after immersing Lord Durga, they pray to Lord Durga as we do to Lord Ganesha. And in the South Indians, they keep many dolls and celebrate by singing Mahisasura Mardhini Strotam every 9 days. If you like this video, please like this video, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click